Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Legal matter for Punjab and Haryana High Court at the rate 100 word per minute. Advance magazine. Be ready? Start. A revision was filed challenging the dismissal of a petition for discharge on the ground that no sanction as contemplated by section 197 of the code has been obtained. The sessions judge allowed the objection raised by the accused based on section 197 and allowed the revision which was challenged before the High Court on the ground that the order passed by the Metropolitan Magistrate was an interlocutory order and therefore no revision would lie. The apex court held that in deciding whether an order challenged is an interlocutory or not, the sole test is not whether such an order was passed during the interim stage. Instead, the test is whether by upholding the objections raised by a party it would result in culminating the proceedings. If so, the order assessed passed on such objections would not be merely interlocutory as envisaged in section 397 bracket 2. Stop. Analyzing the objection raised by the accused in that case, it was held that if the objections were upheld, the entire prosecution proceedings would have been terminated and therefore the order was not an interlocutory order and consequently it is revisable. Stop. Para. Section 167 Code of the Criminal Procedure employs a judicial magistrate to authorize the detention of an accused in the custody of police. Stop. Section 209 PC confers power upon a magistrate to remand an accused to custody until the case has been committed to the Court of Sessions and also until the conclusion of the trial. Section 309 Code of Criminal Procedure confers power upon a court to remand an accused to custody after taking cognizance of an offence of during commencement of trial when it finds it necessary to adjourn the inquiry or trial. The order of remand has no bearing on the proceedings of the trial itself, nor it can have any effect on the ultimate decision of the case. If an order remand is found to be illegal, it cannot result in acquittal of the accused or in termination of proceedings. A remand order cannot affect the progress of the trial or its decision in any manner. Therefore, applying the test laid down in Madhu Lima's case, it cannot be categorized even as an intermediate order. The order is therefore a pure and simple interlocutory order, and in view of the bar created by subsector of section 397 PC, a revision against the said order is not maintainable. The High Court therefore erred in entertaining the revision against the order dated 6/11/2001 of the Metropolitan Magistrate granting police custody of the accused Zoe immaculate for one day, full stop। स्टूडेंट जी आपके 430 वर्ड्स हैं, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद आप इसको मैच कीजिए। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए गुड डे।